Welcome back students in second part of today's lecture. So we were discussing about the energy stored in capacitor. So here this is the amount of work done in moving a very small charge dq. If suppose we are charging the capacitor plate from 0 to q charge. So here total work done will be equals to integration of dw. Okay, integration of dw from 0 to q. So by putting the value of dw, q upon c dq, c is constant, so it will come out. When we integrate q with respect to dq, we get q square upon 2 and limits are there 0 to q. Then we put the value of upper limit minus lower limit. So lower limit is 0, so the whole term becomes 0 and we get this one. This is the total work done in storing the charge in the capacitor. W equals to q square upon 2c. But we know q equals to c into v. When we put this value in equation and further solve it, here you can see we have put the value of q. Q square is there, so c square v square, 1c will cancel. So we have w equals to half cv square. Okay, so w equals to half cv square we have. Or if we write it like this, v into v, so this cv equals to q. So one more formula of W is 1 upon 2 Q into V. So these are some equations for energy stored in the capacitor. Now let's see energy density of electric field in a parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So what is density? Density is mass upon volume. So when we are talking about energy density, so it will be total energy stored upon volume. Okay. So what will be its definition? Energy density is defined as the energy stored per unit volume of a capacitor. Now let's put the value of total energy stored as half CV square, and volume is area into distance, area into length. Okay, so length means the distance between the two plates, and we have taken the distance between two plates as small d. So volume here is A into D, but we know that C equals to A epsilon naught upon D and V equals to ED. When we put these two values here, okay, value of C and value of V, and further solve it, so we get this equation. Energy density U equals to half epsilon naught E square. Okay, now if suppose in between the two plates we introduce one dielectric medium, so we have to introduce dielectric constant K also. So when we put that, so here this will be our energy density. U equals to half K epsilon naught E square. Okay, and one more thing, let me tell you students that your exams are coming soon. Okay, as we will do all the arrangement will be done. We will inform you what will be the mode of examination, whether it will be MCQ or conceptual, etc. All the details will be given later. But now let me tell you that in examination the portion is 2 chapters, that is chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2 means this chapter which we are studying right now. That means in examination 2 chapters will come. Chapter 1 electric field and electric charge and field, etc. And the second chapter will be your electric potential and capacitance. That means in your book you can see unit 1 is there. In unit 1 2 chapters are there. Both the chapters will come in examination. So you all start preparing for the examination. Okay, try to solve all the derivations as much as possible and try to solve numerical as much as possible. And if you have any problem, any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 9907568896. Okay, because most of the students are saying that they don't have my number, so I am giving you all my WhatsApp number. So if you have any doubt, you can message me. This is it for today's lecture. See you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye, take care and do some productive work. Be healthy, be safe.